Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B back with part 3 of the smoked turkey and smoked sausage yaki min soup my way. So what I'm doing now, guys, is I have placed some eggs in a pot. As soon as these eggs come up to a boil, I'm going to immediately turn the heat off, put a top on the pot for about 10 minutes. Then drain the water and place the eggs in a bowl of ice so that they can cool down. Also, guys, what I'm about to do now is, give me 1 second, guys. Remember, guys, this recipe is nowhere copying or trying to be like the authentic New Orleans or Louisiana yaki mein soup. I just wanted to try this recipe because the way that this soup is made now, I'm allergic to just about everything, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I have the smoked turkey sausage that I'm going to cut up. I'm going to place this into the smoked turkey wings in about another hour. Guys, on one of the breaks, which you didn't know, the power went out because there was a short of some type with the stove. Maintenance came right away and fixed it, so I'm back on track. So I'm going to cut up the smoked turkey sausage. I also rinsed off, and I'm going to cut some of the green onions and place them into a bowl. Once the smoked turkey sausage, turkey wings have cooked down to where they're kind of tender, that's when I'm going to add the sausage and add all of the other ingredients to get the broth up to par. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to use the green part for now, guys. If you want, please feel free to trim off the bottom bulb and cut some of the white part of the green onions. It's truly up to you. If you try this recipe, it'll be, whatever's conducive for you. I'll cut a little bit more. So guys, once again, for those of you who don't know, I have to do the video in parts because my camera doesn't work and also because my cell phone cuts off if I record too long. And also another disclaimer, this is nowhere near the authentic yaki men soup from Louisiana. So you guys, please don't come for me. I'm just trying to make a soup that I can eat as well. So I think that this is enough. So I'm going to place this into a bowl and then I'm going to start to slice the smoked turkey sausage. I think this is enough. And I'll put the rest in the refrigerator. Okay, on to the sausage. I think this should be a nice bite size. Yeah. So I'm just going to continue to cut the sausage. I'm probably not going to use all of the 4 pieces. It all depends on how much broth I have and how the soup renders down. Okay, guys, if you want to cut your pieces smaller, please feel free. I may even cut them down, maybe cut them in half. Okay, guys, this is part 3 of the smoked turkey wings and smoked turkey sausage yaki men soup. The next time I come back, I will be putting all of this together into the pot. You know what time it is. Let's get on and have the rest of this soup done. And stop playing. Bye, guys.